Here we are then, bright and early once again at HQ, ready to hop in our Explorer Sprinter and head out to Europe once again, because this weekend is one of our favourite shows, and that is Tief Im Wald. We've got a long drive ahead of us and we're going to go and do it in one stint, get out there, get to the event, meet some friends, experience a cool show. Let's get on with it.
So, yesterday you called me and you wanted an off-road scooter. And I was there driving 2 hours to get this thing. And then I saw they have an advertisement for the little one. Only 250, so I bought me one too. But you have to look.
Go racing?
Yeah, we can go racing. But look, mine is a little one. Look, little. And you have a big suspension, all this stuff. Let's come over. I'll show you that. All in my car. Look. Oh man, you will see. We have to get it out. Off. Just a second.
Oh, Benny, you're going to kill yourself on this.
I didn't unwrap it now.
Brand new, fresh, mate.
Yeah, fresh. And look here, boss. Your thing. How can you get this out now?
Oh, what have you bought me? I just wanted a scooter, not a motorbike.
You said off-road, so here's off-road. You can test it directly. We can have fun, and Nicole can ride with this one.
Stop there.
Stop.
Come round.
It's no problem. Don't be scared. Don't be shy. Look at this motor. And like this. Woohoo! How cool is that? Look at the suspension, the brakes.
Come.
Look at the brake calipers. Is this the right word? Yeah.
Brake cat. It's got discs, Ben.
Look mine. Look at mine. My cheap finger.
I only wanted something to breeze around the show on.
For you.
Now I'm going to take a little walk around this show and show you some of my favourite cars from here. I've gone around probably 2 or 3 times and I've spotted some absolute gems out there. So let's go take a look at them. Rolls Royce sitting low. Ooh, that, still one of my favourite cars. One of the first cars I saw when I came to my first Tief Im Wald. It was in the woods under a big chandelier. Still absolutely perfect how it is. When it comes to making custom wheels, that is how you do it. OEM wheel made to split, perfection. VW guys will know this. This was a car, we actually met this guy out in Worthersea about 4 years ago. Signed him up, Team AF, absolute OG vehicle, and he's got the badge. This is super clean, green, white interior, never got a roof on it. I've never seen it with a roof on it, and it is always absolutely perfect. Now this is a car I really rate. Proper simple build, OEM plus 964, yellow headlights, twists made to splits, grey, oh, for sale as well. Another Porsche should be nice. Everyone likes a white chaser. I've got a newfound love for these as well, having just built our own. And I noticed he has got a real OG sticker. Racism. If you don't know, that's what Ultrace used to be called back in the day. That is, those wheels are incredible as well. That's how you do a JZX. Right there is perfect. Recaro's low static drifty boy. This Mark IV, absolute perfect. If you're going to do a Mark IV, I've still got a lot of love for them, but that is how you do it. US spec parts on it, step lip BBS RS's, half cage, okay, Mark 7 steering wheel and interior. That's nice, silver on silver as well, classy look. Check out that super clean 190E. Oh. And all of the wood grain. So that brings our trip to Tief Im Wald to an end. That was an amazing show. It's a shame we don't get shows like that anymore in England, where they go on into the evening a bit more. People just stayed, they hung out, they were drinking together, having a good time. Some of the cars will just stay there overnight. Guys will get an Uber or a taxi or whatever back to their hotels and then pick all the cars up tomorrow. But for us, it is another 5 AM start, so we can get back to the UK and actually be back in work for Monday. It's a lot. Driving 14 hours one way for a 5-hour show might seem crazy, but when you actually see the effort and the level of these shows over here and the level of the car here, I think it makes it worthwhile. Definitely for me anyway, that's what I'm into. I like the modified cars and I like it when people put that level of effort in. And for the brand, that's what I want this brand to be associated with. I like all cars, whether they're high-end cars or old cars, but my heart does lie with the classic stuff. However, I want it to be about more than just the cars, and it's about the people, and I think that's what that show gets really, really, really well. For me, we're heading back home. Hopefully you've enjoyed this video. If you have, drop us a comment below. Subscribe to us to see more videos like this, and in the next one we'll be giving you more detailing tips. Thanks for watching. We'll see you then.